Preschool isn't just about learning your colors and your numbers and your uppercase and lowercase letters and sounds. It's also about social and emotional adjustment, and that's what we try to teach at Providence Children's Academy. If a child is socially and emotionally adjusted, they feel very calming, and that's when they say, bring it on and let's learn. They get used to the structure of the school so that when they do transition into kindergarten, they are pretty much mature enough to handle the situation, because when they're in kindergarten, they are alone. They are by themselves. There's nobody there to help them.
Donna, can you tell people about that one, not naming any names, but that one little boy that hadn't gone to school until he was 4.5 years old?
I have a mom that came into the school, the child's 4.5 years old, for VBK. I said to the mother, this child is not ready for VBK. He's never been in school before. It stood in the corner and just screamed for 8 hours. We removed the child from that classroom. We hired a shadow to shadow the child. That teacher shadowed that child for a week, so that child got socially adjusted. It is now in my younger 3-year-old class. He is adjusting just fine. He will be ready for VBK next year, so we will hold him back. Instead of him going into kindergarten, he's going to go into our VBK class, so he'll be ready when kindergarten comes the following year. So they are prepared for kindergarten.
Hi, this is Tom and Donna. We hope you found value in this video. If you would like to learn more about choosing the correct preschool for your children, go to our website at www.preschooldaycarecenters.com, where we will tell you to get our entire series of videos, just like this one, with more information and tips for creating a successful preschool experience. Thank you, and we'll see you there.